new slogan of Hannover Messe to focus on industrial pioneers out of the German machine tool industry, I think is a very good approach. I'm sure that it will demonstrate the competence of our industry worldwide, not only in the United States but also in Germany. We have a great network of, let's say, hidden champions which expose themselves during this platform, and I'm sure that the slogan really shows also the emotional, let's say, aspect of being on this show, being part of it with for every company with their products, with the let's say dedication to this type of industry, the focus on customer orientation. I think that is really unique in Germany, and that's why German industry is so successful still, also in hydraulics, world market leader. So we want to keep that very high, this standard, and work on it every time when we come to Hannover.